So welcome to the channel. This is just a little review of the DJI Neo drone, everybody's favorite drone at the moment. It's currently floating in front of me. You're seeing me and hearing me through the audio on the phone, not hearing the drone, hopefully. I'll just take you through all the modes, give you a little look and tell you what I think. Hi folks, so we're here today testing out the new DJI Neo drone. I'm just putting it through its paces in this little park here in Gloucester, and so far so good. So now I've got it in follow mode, and again I'm using the phone for the audio, so hopefully you should follow me. And if I talk away to myself, and I'll look upon this nice little quiet bit of park up here. We've got the views of the hills here surrounding Gloucester. Got the constant drone, not only of the drone behind me, but the motorway that way, and the railway. I'm out on the bike today, on my touring bike, for a little ride about and test this new DJI Neo, which so far seems to be performing pretty well. I like it. I can walk straight past it. Hopefully you won't be hearing the audio from that, and you'll just be hearing the audio from my phone. So now it's just doing a nice little droney, so it's flying away from me to the parameters that you set on the drone. Right, so now it's performing what's called a circle. It's obviously going to be 360 degrees right the way around me. It's fighting against the wind a little bit. I wish you could see it. It's getting blown by the wind here, to be honest. It's going pretty quick. The wind's picked it up there. Hopefully it's not too strong a wind for it.
Time for one of the favourite shots. This is a rocket shot where it just goes straight up above the subject and returns back afterwards. Now the Neo is in spotlight mode, which effectively acts as a tripod and will track you by turning on its axis, as you can see here as I'm walking past it. This will be extremely useful to those of you who shoot videos on your own, as it will act as your own personal cameraman.
So I've now set it to helix. She'll start flat, rise up above me, hopefully not get taken away by the wind. Hopefully you can still see me. And that makes for a nice little shot, maybe a nice reveal shot on your videos. Very, very good. Right, so this one is the boomerang shot. It'll go around me. As you can see, it rises up in like a oval shape, drops back down again in height, so that makes for another option. So now this is direction track, so I can actually walk towards the drone. Hopefully you're getting the audio from the phone, and it's like having your own floating camera. So sometimes you don't want to hold a big selfie stick out and you want to show a little bit of the background behind you, like we are in this nice park that we're in, and it will just back away from me as I walk towards it. And hopefully as I've turned round, it's following me back. I'm going to be brave and not look. Hopefully it's turned around, follow me back. So that's good. That's direction track, and you can set that as your 6th setting. I find that quite useful, and it's going to make for some good shots.
Here's a few extra shots of me trying a few modes out. Follow mode here. As you can see, it's very responsive. This is another droney, but set at a shorter distance. Followed by another circle.
So the DJI Neo, if you can hear a helicopter going over the top of me. Very impressed with it so far. You've seen some of the modes there, very, very good. Enjoyed just the autonomy of it, I suppose, for want of a better word. Very, very good. And I think would definitely be an addition to the videos, and very small, very handy just to drop into your bag. And if you see a little chance of a shot, pop it up, do a droney and walk through it. You can do a helix and walk through it. I've also showed the direction track, which you can just have in front of you, so you've got a walk and talk camera instead of me doing this and holding the camera in front of me. You can just do that. And also the massive plus is the capture of the audio, which automatically takes out the sound of the drone, so you can use your other cameras in conjunction with it, but any audio you want that's with the drone in front of you, you can just record that through your phone and it takes the sound of the drone out of it. So that's really, really good for me. That's a big plus. So all in all, it's a big thumbs up. It's not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. It's a good price point, £169 if you're in the UK, obviously. It's about $199, I think. That's just for the standard version. You can have the Fly More combo, which gets you a controller with it like other drones. You'll also get 3 batteries and a battery pack with that. So I'll probably end up ordering the extra batteries, because they state that you get, I think it's 18 minutes flight time. It's not that, as per usual with any kind of drone. You ain't gonna get 18 minutes. I've got about 10-ish, a few little operations, and it's now asking for charge again. So you ain't gonna get 18 minutes. So it's definitely worth getting the extra batteries, which I will be doing. And other than that, I think it's brilliant. I think it's one of the best things they've done. I'm not gonna get rid of my other drones because I use them for more cinematic shots. But this, for a lot of beginners, point and shoot, or walkers, hikers that just want a really quick shot and don't want to have to get your drone out, set it up, get it up in the air. It's up in the air in seconds. So that's a big bonus. If you enjoyed this honest review, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do. And I'll see you somewhere next time.